Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 19 in the My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. All right. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number 1, follow these videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing here. All right. So I did create this video series just for you guys to show you what it would look like to promote one offer from Clickbank, okay, and promote that for 1 year and see if we can turn that into a full-time income. Now, if you guys have been following these videos, if you go back to the beginning of this challenge, I did shoot I shot a couple of different challenges over these products on Clickbank to show you that different offers work on with this traffic, all right? But for this recent challenge that I did create, we're just going to shoot one offer, okay, on Clickbank using the My Lead Gen Secret system. Now, I've created a brand new Clickbank account just for this challenge alone. And then the other ClickBanks that I have, I promote different products, and we'll get into different, more advanced stuff later down the road. Right. But for right now, I'm promoting this method called the ClickBank My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. Excuse me. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, let's go ahead and hop on over to it. My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that's going to provide you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. These leads, meaning e-business, e-marketing, I'm not sure if you're familiar with that term. These are people that are looking for making money online. Right. So the leads that are coming into the system every single day, these people are hungry to find out ways to how they can earn income online. All right. Just like millions of people out here in the world, they're looking for extra money and just extra income that they can make on the side. All right. So these hungry people that are coming in looking for ways to earn income, and what we do as affiliate marketers, we go out and grab an offer that's related to making money online. We send out that email to our prospect with our affiliate link, hoping that they would somehow see a benefit in signing up and where we can earn a commission. All right. So that's what My Lead Gen Secret is, guys. It's just an email platform that you can use to gain traffic every single day. All right. Now, I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. It's been over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service, and I have multiple accounts that I promote. And I've promoted different offers to this traffic. And I can tell you now that a lot of different offers convert, okay, with this traffic. All right. But for the series, we're just going to use one offer on ClickBank, and we're just going to just stick with that one offer. We're not going to veer off to any other offers. We're just going to use that one. All right. So this is the My Lead Gen Secret background. Okay. This is what, we still got enough battery, guys. So this is the background. This is the back office, is what it would look like in your back office. Okay. You got the home, my leads, master email swipes and mailing. So if you go to my leads, today is the 28th. We did get 200 leads today. Now I did send out an email already before I shot this video, before shooting this video. Okay. And the email that I sent, I was able to get to these 200 fresh emails, that I got coming to the list. All right. Which is pretty cool. Now, my accounts have been just a little bit more seasoned, than the average, okay, because I've been doing this for a while. So now is just time to show you guys the power of this My Lead Gen Secret system, and let you know that you guys can go out and grab accounts and you can do the same as I did. All right. What I'm doing is just showing you guys how to send out an email in the system. All right. These are the emails that we get every day. Now, the difference between you getting 100 or 200 is however many accounts that you have. If you got one account, you're just going to get 100 leads. If you got two accounts, you're going to get 100 leads on the first account and then 200 on the second. Okay. And what you can do is stack these accounts. So once you sign, I did leave a link at the description below this video. So below this video, all you would have to do is come here to the description, click on more. And right here, I did leave a link for the MLGS Freedom Inc. My Lead Gen Secret system. Okay, so you guys can go here, sign up, send me a message. If you want extra emails, I can send those over to you. Okay, but for right now, we're just going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. All right. So that's where those my leads at, master email swipes or extra emails if you wanted to get. But like I said, we're just going to use the free email swipes. This right here is the mailing system. This is the only thing that we really need to be concerned about. This is where you're going to send all of your emails. Okay. So you want to go to the mailing system. You want to click on select the last set of emails. Okay. And we want to go here, all right, and we want to select those. What's going to end up happening is going to transfer all of those over to the portal. Okay, and then what we're going to do is going to load up the portal, and we're going to send out one email to all of these leads, which is it'll tell you right here. Right now, I'm maxed out at 200,000. This account I do have over 243,000 subscribers in it. Okay, 200,000 is the max. Once you get to 200,000, which is where everyone wants to be at, those bottom emails that people are probably not responding to anymore are getting replaced by fresh, brand new emails. Okay, which is pretty cool. All right, so we would come here to so it has a subject line and a body. So it's just like sending out an email on Google or Bing. If you send out emails, if you know how to send out an email or you know how to copy and paste, this is very easy to do, and you can do this. All right. So let's go ahead and hop on up here to Clickbank. All right. Now, if you know what Clickbank is, it's a network platform that affiliate marketers go to look for different offers that they can promote. Okay. And then what we're doing is we're going to promote our offer, which is the My Legion Secret, the My Legion Secret system, but we're going to promote the niche of e-business e-marketing. Okay. There's different niches that you can use, but the one that the My Legion Secret responds to is going to be this one right here. All right. So what we're going to do is go down here to the live chat jobs. This is the offer that we're promoting, and what we're going to do, and you don't have to actually promote this offer, guys, if you don't want. I'm just doing this for the challenge. All right. You can use Get Paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. I've used that one. That works. You can use paid online writing jobs, and you can use write out reviews. Those top four are what I would recommend you use. I wouldn't very often go to anything else. So let's go ahead and go over to the affiliate tab. Under each and every one of them, there's going to be an affiliate tab that you can go to. And right here, you're going to see the free email swipes. So you would just grab those swipes. Okay. And then you would just scroll down here. Today, we've made it to day number 19. Okay. So we're just going to grab 19's email. And we're going to come here. Now, once we get to the end, what we're going to do is just circle back around, and we're just going to start over again, promoting the same offers again, same emails all over again. And then you just keep going. Now, if you want to get more conversions, you could probably go to Chat GPT and just create a unique email, and we'll go over that. Once this runs out, I'll show you guys how to go over to Chat GPT and just create an email. Okay. And then you can use those, or you can just go back and use the same 20 emails over again, and then just throw those out there and just keep recycling that over and over and over again. Okay. So we did enter a subject line. Well, let's go ahead and go down here to the body. So the body, we're going to come here, and we're going to grab this body here. Excuse me. Okay, and you want to grab this body here, and we want to control C. And this is going to be the link that we're going to use for this email. So you want to come back over here, and we want to just control V, right? All right. Take out the word signature, and you want to put in either your name or management, whichever one. You want to come back up here to where it says hi name, and we want to put in our prospect's name, not just any name. We want to put in our prospect's name. Okay. So you want to come here, and you want to control C, come down here, and then control V, right? All right. So we want to come here, control V, and then we want to, I like to space things out. Okay, you don't have to, but I just like to space, some of these sentences out. I'm not going to go through all of them and space them out, but you get the idea. So wherever it says click here, we want to turn that into a text. Okay, so you want to come here, and we want to go back to the email, and we want to grab the hop link. All right, control C, come back over here, and then control V. Very easy to do. One important thing is you want to come here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. You want to come here, and you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? Not mine, but yours, okay? Whatever yours is, you want to come here and you want to put that in. And what that does, it turns this into a clickable link. So that way, when our prospect sees this email, they can go in and they can click on that link. So let's go and go back over here and we want to grab that link, okay, where it says click here. And we want to turn this into a clickable link. And you want to come here to the link tab, Control V, and grab that. Come back over here where your Clickbank affiliate ID and put in your affiliate ID, okay? So you just want to come there, boom. So now when we send this email out, okay, it has two clickable links for our prospect to click on. So when they're reading this email, this is more a job related form type of email. Okay, it shows you like what you'll be doing for the job, the amount that you'll get paid, the background skills and background that you need to get started, the hours that you can work, and the location. Okay. And right here where it says, anytime it says your country, you want to put your area. Okay. So that makes it look like, that they're looking for prospects in your specific area. Okay. It's much more personable. Okay. Let's see, huge demand in your area. Okay. So you just want to go through and proofread the words, make sure everything is, if there's something that you want to take out and put however you want to do it, you guys can do that. Okay. So this email is ready to go. What we would do is click on preview. There's going to be a submit now and a preview button. Click on the preview. When you preview, you want to click on these links. Okay. Click on both click here links to make sure they go to your affiliate page. That way you get the commission. Okay. That's very important because you don't want to send out an email and not get credit for it. All right. So click on preview, make sure those go to your affiliate page, and then make sure it says your affiliate ID in the URL somewhere. All right. So once you do that, you click on send. You want to click on perfect timing and then click on send. Don't forget the perfect timing, guys. All right. So click on perfect timing and then click on send. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. Like I said, guys, if you can copy and paste, you can do this. Very easy to do. There's only a one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. All right. So, just believe in yourself, guys. This is cold traffic, okay, with these leads that are coming in. So that means that these leads, they got to get warmed up to you first before they start looking to buy anything. Okay. You want to just send out. That's why I was telling you guys, we want to just stick with one offer and just stick with that offer. That way our list gets warmed up to us and we can start seeing progress and earning income. All right. So I'm not going to go too much longer on that, guys. I do want to throw out something real quick. I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to make anything from this, okay? Because I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts. I don't know if you're going to, submit emails every day. I don't know your work ethic, okay? But what I can do is I can guarantee that if you stick with this long enough, okay, you will start seeing progress. Okay, it may take a week to start seeing your first sale. It may take a couple weeks, maybe take a month. All right, maybe take a few months, maybe even 4 to 6 months. It just depends on how much you're sending out emails every single day. All right. So let's go ahead and go over to Clickbank. We did send out an email yesterday. We'll go to the reporting tab. And Clickbank is free to get started, guys, by the way. Doesn't cost you anything to get started, okay? So just go to clickbank.com, create an account, create you a username, and then that'll be the username that you'll use with all your website links, okay? Affiliate links. So today is the 28th of April. We're almost at the end of the month. We're at the end of the month. We got maybe 2 more days till this month is over with. I believe there's 30 days in April. So we got 2 more days to go before the month is over with, all right? So today, for a social sales rep, we got over 1,300 hops, guys. That's a lot of hops, a lot of clicks. We got 793 unique hops, brand new people that came to our webpage. We got 2 people that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today. We didn't get any gross earnings, which is our commissions from the free trials. As you guys know, we did get a free trial offer the other day. Okay, so we're going to be looking for that commission probably tomorrow. It may come in. I believe that's the 3rd day is tomorrow. So we probably could get a commission. But what we're really mostly interested in is the initial sales. We want to get this initial sales where the days are getting closer and closer and close to each other where we're getting sales every single day. Right now, they're spread apart. Okay. The spread apart is because Our list is not warmed up to us yet. It's going to take them a little bit longer to kind of catch on and see what we're doing. And then those people are start, the more and more they see our offers, the closer and closer our sales are going to get. And then the more of those $20 payments, our residual payments will stack on top of each other, guys. So just be patient. Okay. I'm going to be here with you guys. We're going to do this thing together. Okay. Don't give up. Okay. If you're looking for extra income, to make online, this is going to be it. Okay. But this is something that you have to stick with, and you have to send out emails every day in order to see some type of progress. All right. So just give it some time, guys. I'm going to leave this video on that note. Okay. I showed you how to send out an email in the system. I showed you the results from last night. Okay. We did get some good traffic. We got some order form impressions. We got people that are interested. Okay. This is a good sign. When we get those order form impressions, people are at the checkout page deciding to buy. Okay. So we're very, very close to getting a commission. I can feel it. So I'm sure some initial sale guys is going to be coming in any day now. And I'm going to be with you guys every day, every step of the journey to show you guys the initial sales coming in. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I will see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.